Welcome, viewer. Today we're delving into a topic that touches us deeply: how to navigate the stormy seas of a breakup. We'll uncover 10 essential strategies that can guide you through this tumultuous time. Breakups, though painful, offer opportunities for growth and renewal. Let's explore these insightful tips together to aid in healing your heart. Number 1. Understanding your emotions. Breakups trigger a whirlwind of emotions. Sadness may feel overwhelming, but it's essential to allow yourself to grieve the loss. Anger might surface due to hurt or disappointment. Confusion is normal. Seeking clarity through introspection or seeking guidance can ease this confusion. Number 2. Prioritizing self-care. Self-care isn't just a buzzword. It's a lifeline during tough times. Eating well fuels your body and mind. Quality sleep rejuvenates you. Exercise releases endorphins, boosting your mood. Engaging in activities that soothe your soul, be it reading, painting, or nature walks, provides mental reprieve. Number 3. Reflecting on the relationship dynamics. When reflecting on the relationship, it's crucial to delve into its various facets. Recognize the positive aspects that brought joy, stability, or growth. Equally important is acknowledging the negative elements that led to its demise. Consider the communication patterns, conflicts, or behaviors that were detrimental. This introspection isn't about blame, but understanding. It's about learning from experiences to create healthier dynamics in future relationships. Number 4. Building a support system. Your support network acts as an anchor during turbulent times. Friends and family provide emotional solace, lending a listening ear and unwavering support. Sometimes seeking professional help, such as therapy or counseling, offers objective guidance and tools to navigate the emotional roller coaster. Number 5. Setting boundaries. Boundary setting after a breakup is a protective measure for your emotional well-being. It's about clearly communicating your needs, expectations, and limits. These boundaries might involve limiting contact with your ex-partner, defining what conversations are acceptable, or delineating personal space and time for healing. Number 6. Rediscovering your identity. This phase is about reconnecting with yourself outside the context of a relationship. It's an opportunity to explore forgotten passions or discover new ones. Delve into activities that spark joy and fulfillment, allowing you to rediscover your individuality. Embrace personal growth by setting goals aligned with your passions, be it learning a new skill, pursuing a hobby, or expanding your knowledge. Number 7. Embracing change. Change, though daunting, is an inevitable part of life. Embrace it as a catalyst for personal evolution. Stepping outside your comfort zone, whether it's trying new experiences or exploring different perspectives, fosters adaptability and resilience. Embracing change allows you to grow, learn, and evolve, enabling you to navigate life's uncertainties with more ease and confidence. Number 8. Finding new passions. Breakups often create a void in your life, providing an opportunity to explore new interests. Engaging in activities that resonate with your interests or trying out things you've always wanted to do can be incredibly fulfilling. It's about discovering what excites you, whether it's sports, arts, volunteer work, or creative outlets like writing, music, or crafting. Number 9. Nurturing self-love and confidence. Self-love is the cornerstone of healing after a breakup. It involves treating yourself with kindness, compassion, and respect. Practice positive affirmations and surround yourself with supportive influences. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small, and acknowledge your strengths. Building self-confidence involves setting achievable goals, embracing challenges, and learning from setbacks. Number 10. Moving forward. Moving forward after a breakup is a transformative journey. Focus on personal growth by setting new goals, pursuing your passions, and visualizing the life you aspire to lead. Share your stories of resilience and triumph. They not only inspire others, but also reinforce your own strength and determination to move forward. Embrace this opportunity for self-discovery, knowing that each step you take is a stride towards a brighter tomorrow. Remember that healing after a breakup is a journey unique to each individual. Embrace these strategies, be patient with yourself, and believe in your resilience. If you found this guidance helpful, consider subscribing for more insightful content. Take care, and may your path forward be filled with growth and renewed happiness.